and thank you for joining us on another edition of Arizona's Real Estate News and Information. You can follow us on Twitter at #AZRENEWS. Today we're going to talk a little bit about some of the options that are available to homeowners who are in distress or maybe facing foreclosure. A lot of homeowners are unaware that these options are available to them, whether they're current on their mortgage or whether or not they're days away from the foreclosure sale itself. And one or more of these options might be able to help you or someone you know. The first option is a reinstatement. This is where the homeowner makes up any missed payments, late fees, and legal fees and reinstates the loan. Generally, this does not require any cooperation from your lender. As long as those missed payments, late fees, and legal fees are made up, the loan is reinstated to its previous force and effect. Another option available to homeowners is a forbearance or a repayment plan. Now, this is where the homeowner makes up any missed payments, late fees, and legal fees by a separate note, or the lender may actually put that on the back of the amortization schedule. Another option is to rent the property. In some cases, the homeowner might have a mortgage payment low enough to allow rent payments to cover the cost of the mortgage and the associated cost of owning the property. Another option available is to sell the property. There are a lot of homeowners that are unaware that if they're in the foreclosure process, they can sell their home if they have enough equity in the property, and that includes up to the date of the foreclosure sale. Another option is to refinance the property. If the homeowner has enough equity and income and their credit has not been too badly damaged, they may be able to just refinance the property into a lower rate loan, thus avoiding foreclosure. Another option is a mortgage modification. Now, you're going to need to negotiate with your bank on this one, but this is where the bank will actually take a lower interest rate on the current mortgage, therefore lowering the payments and avoiding foreclosure. Another option is a short refinance. Now, this is similar to a mortgage modification, except for the fact that the lender might actually take a reduction in the principal as well as lowering the interest rate. Another option available for homeowners is deed in lieu of foreclosure. Now, this is called a friendly foreclosure, and this is basically where the homeowner sends the keys back to the bank and gives the deed back to the bank and washes their hands of the property. Now, this cannot void foreclosure, but it may have some very serious credit implications, very similar to a foreclosure. Another option available to homeowners is bankruptcy. Now, a bankruptcy may in fact help you to avoid foreclosure, or it may just stall the foreclosure process. A bankruptcy attorney and a professional realtor should be consulted. Another option is the Service Members Civil Relief Act. Now, this law helps members of our armed forces in very specific situations avoid foreclosure. And last but not least, we do come to the short sale. Now, if a homeowner is in distress facing foreclosure and they owe more on the mortgage than the property would bring at full market value, and none of the previous options are able to help that homeowner, then a short sale might be right for that particular homeowner. Again, a professional realtor should be consulted. Thanks once again for joining us on Arizona's Real Estate News and Information. Please be sure to follow us at #AZRENEWS. Take care.